Welcome back. So we had cloudy skies through most of the day. A cool day with those high temperatures only into the mid-30s. You can see cloudy skies outside right now on our regional west weather cameras. Temperatures falling to 27 degrees in Scottsbluff. Winds north-northeast, starting to get a little windy, 23 miles per hour, maybe some higher gusts, closer to 30. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. Upper 20s from Scottsbluff down toward Harrisburg and Kimball. Lower 30s at Bridgeport and Sydney. But as you make your way out toward Chadron, Gordon, Alliance, mid to upper 20s out in that direction. You can definitely see on this map where the coolest air is. It's into our northern counties because they're closer to that core of cool air to our north. We have that northerly wind. Wind speeds right now 20 to 30 miles per hour in most places, and that will continue to pump in the cool air, keep us really cool, not only for the next couple of days, but for the next week. So here's a look at the weather alerts across the region. Every one of our Nebraska counties is in a blizzard warning that goes from, it went into effect at 5 p.m. and will last until Wednesday at 11 p.m. Same thing as you make your way across the border into Wyoming, including the Cheyenne area, out toward Laramie and west of Wheatland and Chugwater. Winter storm warning out in that direction. They will have less wind. Now, here's a look at the snow that is just starting from this system. As you make your way into northern Sioux County, just off to the east of Alliance and off to the east of the Bridgeport area, you can see just some light snow showers, otherwise mainly cloudy skies across most of the rest of the region. We think that that snow is going to fill in over the next couple of hours as this low pressure system works its way off to the north and east. You can see we have a warm sector, some thunderstorms starting to develop ahead of that cold front in that direction, but for us, we're going to spend most of the event on the cool side with that strong northerly wind, and we will have the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico deposited back over us, and that will give us not only cool air, but a good amount of snow as we make our way through the next couple of days. So let's take a look at the skycast. Just some scattered snow showers now, but as we go through the next few hours, heavy and steady snow will fill in. We'll keep the strong winds mainly from a northerly direction. Temperatures staying into the low to mid-20s overnight, falling to the teens near daybreak. You can still see hours and hours of moderate to even heavy snow across the region, making our way through Tuesday afternoon. And by Tuesday night, winds slipping around to more of a northwesterly direction. So the snow will start to taper off, but we could still have some snow showers all the way through midday on Wednesday. For the rest of Wednesday, mainly cloudy skies. We're not going to get rid of the clouds anytime soon, and we're definitely not going to get rid of that strong wind. So it'll cause visibility issues and blowing snow. That's why we do have that blizzard warning for the entire viewing area. Now, as we make our way through Wednesday, temperatures falling back to the lower 20s for highs. Here's a look at the snowfall potential across the region. Some of our models have said that there could be some areas in the valley locations picking up 6 to 9 inches, and then surrounding that into the northern panhandle, eastern panhandle, and south of Scottsbluff. That's where the bullseye of snow could occur. As you can see, we do have some areas in the lighter pink shading here in the 12 to 15 inch range from this one. Could have less out toward Wheatland, Cheyenne, Laramie, and along the Colorado border. But wherever you are, this is going to be a major snowstorm event. It's just going to be the worst as you make your way further north out toward Chadron and Gordon. There's some areas that could pick up about 2 feet of snow from this one. You can see in this white shading here, and south of Scottsbluff is going to be another really hard-hit area. So as this low-pressure system moves basically over North Platte and then into western South Dakota and then eastern North Dakota, it just continues to give us a lot of snow, and that cold air isn't going to help it melt. And the cold air we're going to get is going to keep it on the roads. It's going to be hard to shovel this one, get it off the roads for safe driving conditions. So definitely be aware. Blizzard conditions not only for tomorrow, but a ground blizzard possible for the day on Wednesday with the blowing snow, highs near 20 both days. And then we'll dry out. Partly cloudy skies Thursday and Friday, lower 20. Still windy though. Mid-20s over the weekend, more sunshine, and highs only near 20 for the day on Monday with partly cloudy skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. With winter storms expected to hammer the country this week, some states from coast to coast are branching for some tough conditions. Here's more.
This morning, a relentless storm system powering its way from coast to coast.